Hello everybody, this is Mahtab Saleh in Persian with Mahtab. If you are watching this video for the first time, return back and watch the previous videos. I have started from the beginning and very systematic. Today I want to teach you another sound, a consonant, که sound, که غیر آخر، که آخر. K sound, K. K has two forms again, K غیر آخر, K which come at the beginning or in the middle of the word, and K آخر exclusively comes at the end of the word. K sound, K. In English we have these alphabets. For instance, in the word cat or kite, we have K sound in Persian. Now I show you how to write K. By the way, K is written in handwriting and in the newspapers or in the books different. In the books you see this K when you type in your cell phone or you type in your laptop. But in the media or in the book, printed book, maybe you see this form. But when you are writing, you should write in this way. Up to bottom, a very beautiful curve here, and this line, K. You can connect or don't connect, but in handwriting mostly we don't connect. So, K غیر آخر, K, this can come at the beginning of a word and in the middle. You see, at the beginning, like the word کارگر, worker, which come from kar. Kar in Persian is work and also job. K at the beginning and in the middle in the word شکر. K آخر, K at the end of the word. You see, again up to bottom and on the line, and this again, this line K آخر comes at the end of the word. Sometimes it takes the hands of previous sound like namak. You see K at the end in final position, or lonely without taking the hand of other sound, come lonely in the word park. Park, a loan word from English. K غیر آخر, K آخر. And again, to review, K in the initial position, شکر in the middle, and park and namak in the final position. Now let's go to جدول دوستی to combine K with our vowel sound to see what word we have. Let me draw the table. This is our table of friendship. K sound is a consonant, so we write it here. K غیر آخر, K آخر. If we make friendship between K and A, what do we have? Write the whole word, the whole form, then this line, Ka. Ka, like Ka, مثل کار. Kar in Persian is work and also job. Kar. K and A. K and A is ka. Ka. Ka مثل شکر. شکر. ک مثل شکر. Look at me how I write the whole form. Then dots for sh and line for k. K and u. K و او will be ku. Ku in Persian is a question word. When in spoken Persian we want to say where is something, we say ku. For instance, ماژیک ماژیکم کو. Mobile موبایلم کو. Ku means where is it? Ku. Ku. K and O. K and O will be ko. Ko. Ko like kot. Kot. Exactly a loan word. Kot. By the way, ko, I have here commode. Wardrobe in Persian is commode. Commode. Commode and kot. K and A. K and A, we have two forms. K and K. K and K. We have kitab. Kitab. Kitab is K and A. And key. And key. Look at me, the way I combine K and E. Key. Key in the words, for instance, kif, that you haven't learned fe, I don't write it. And key, K-E. Key, another question word is, for instance, شما کی هستید? Who are you? And you say, من مهتاب هستم. من آنا هستم. من علی هستم. Ki means whom. You come home and your mom said, a friend of yours called. You say, ki. You mean who called. Okay? Now, let's go to your homeworks. Start the homework with K, the sound. By the way, any question you have, comment me. I will answer your comments one by one. K. غیر آخر. K آخر. By the way, write in a lined notebook very carefully and very beautifully. شکر means sugar. شکر. شکر. کتاب. Write the whole form, then return back. کتاب. شکر. کتاب. And salt. نمک. نمک. Write the ne sound, go to left, return back, write me, then go up, return bottom, continue and write ke آخر. Then the dot for ne sound and the line for ke. نمک. نمک. And ne-a, me-a. نمک. And commode. Commode. Look carefully. First you write up to bottom. go to left, return back, write me, then write de, return on the line and whole form. Then this line, commode, and continue, commode. Write your homework, subscribe for more videos and share these videos to people who want to learn Persian. Good luck!